how do I know if this motor and this motor have the same mounting? Like you see how this is, like some of them are taller, some of them is shorter. Like how do you know if it's gonna fit here?
Oh, just the size. Measure the size.
Is there like a number, like a category? Like if that's like category 3, we know that all category 3s will fit here?
No, I don't think
They don't have it like a
just the
fitment?
size, yeah.
Because I can tell the numbers work.
These are mobile,
In the commercial class, I bring
Oh.
a couple more tools so I can strip something.
You can do.
Like if this motor was to break and I have to find another motor, then I have to modify different heights and
Which
stuff.
is the only thing you need is the horsepower. So there's all these
I'm
instructions.
afraid people might.
But then I have to worry about the pulley. I have to worry about a little bit lower, a little bit higher adjustments.
Well, there's a serial number and then specific category and then voltage amps. All the frame size. That's the frame.
Oh, the frame size.
Right. And then
So if I can find two frame size the same, then it might be the same.
Just like put us all in random groups,
Oh, okay.
which is fine, but I just like to do a good job,